Alright, so 1977 Honda CB550K, single overhead cam. This thing's always sitting around, needs some work, right? What do you do to an old Honda when it's been sitting around for a long time? Well, I guess you pull off the carburetors, clean them out a little bit, check the engine out a bit, maybe set the points, I guess. Take a look at yourself in the mirror quick. Charge the battery up, or replace the battery, check the exhaust, make sure the Kickstarter's still there, see if it has a key. You know, it's nice if it has a key that is there. Oh, check the oil. It's purely optional, but I mean, it's kind of nice to put oil in it. Check, see if the brakes work. Are there tires on it? Yes, there's tires. Do they have air? Again, that's optional. Does it roll? Yes. Does it stop? Kind of. Put the little doohickey back on the thingamabob. Make sure the throttle doesn't stick. Put the gas tank on. Check the clutch. Fire it up. Once again, purely optional. Now it's time to fire it up and get her on the road.
Got yourself another Honda on the road, baby!